It's time to go out of the city and explore Sevan Lake. Sevan Lake located is about 50 kilometers from Yerevan, and you can get very cheap taxi to get there. It will cost about $20. I came to this lake Sevan. Local people calls it sea, Armenian sea, and it looks beautiful. It's nice, and taxi here is really cheap. It's about like maybe $20 from Yerevan, so I mean it's quite okay for that. Okay, this is beach of Sevan Lake, and this is kind of island, small island. Well, people say the water is really cold. I didn't try it yet, but I'll try it soon for sure. Bottom of this lake covered with very sharp rocks, so you have to wear flip-flops to go in the water. It's a very touristic place, as you can see, and there are a lot of activities to do. Now I'm going to visit this ancient church uphill, and this is parking spot in this demi island. Well, yeah, I like the lake, but you know what? The water here is really cold, and the sun is really burning, so you can get sunburned in like 20 minutes. If you're wearing watch in your wrist, you will see this print from it, because sun is really hard here. As you can see, a lot of souvenirs, of course, as in any touristic place. A lot of like some jewelry, some fake jewelry, of course, and yeah, you can buy some candles for church candle. So it's like a regular touristic place. I made my way uphill. Look at this beautiful view, and look at this nice church. It's really ancient church of Armenia, and guys, you know that Armenian was the first nation that took Christianism. Lake Sevan is the biggest source of fresh drinkable water in Armenia in the Old Caucasus region. It also provides 90% of all fish catched in Armenia. To Dilijan, I came to some restaurant to try the local fish. It should be delicious, and the view is perfect. This is nice fish, and this beautiful view, but it's a little bit cold on the balcony. I don't know why, the wind is really cold, and I'm wearing only t-shirt and shorts. Yeah, but you can dine here if you want. Yeah, it's really nice. And this portion is huge, and it costs like, I don't know, something like $8. And this is fish. Yummy. We came to some ancient church. It's really beautiful. I mean, not church itself, but the surrounding places are very beautiful. And it's really cool to stay here for a couple days in a tent. You can rent a place like mangal, and you'll be fine. Yeah, just surrounded by this perfect nature. Yeah, that's really beautiful church. The taxi driver was so kind and friendly, and he drove me here for free because I rented taxi to drive from Yerevan to the Sevan and then Dilijan, and it actually cost me like $50, so which is really cheap, I guess. And he gave me like extra ride to this and yeah, Armenian people very friendly and kind. Okay, here's our here. There are a lot of mountains in Armenia and a lot of slopes and hills in the city Yerevan. Mountains divide Armenia into parts. One part has a really hot and bold weather and nature in summer. Another one is softer. When we go to Delijan, you will see it. Now, in the place when we are located, the weather is also a little bit softer. And you can walk through the forest. It's a lot of villages around this place. Yeah, it's really beautiful. It's really different nature here because to the like close to Sevan, it's almost bold mountains, and here they are with forest. In forest, it's really beautiful. Yeah, I wish I could spend a couple more days or even weeks here exploring all this old path. Yeah, that's nice. Hey guys, and if you like my blog, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit like, and of course share your opinion about my blog in comments. Support me, I would be really thankful to you. Armenia has borders with Georgia, Turkey and Azerbaijan. Mostly Armenian people don't like Azerbaijan and Turkish people because of Nagorno-Karabakh armed conflict. It's a really long story, and it has been made a lot of journalistic investigations and documentaries about it. You guys will easily find information about Nagorno-Karabakh anywhere in the web. This is a special place where you can just go with your friends, with your food and eat. It's inside of this old building. Look at this, wow, I like it. And here used to be like some king's family. They're dining here. It's king's throne, and just I'm gonna sit on it and try it on how it's to be king. We are living in this beautiful place now. It was really cool, and especially the road. It's perfect. Okay, let's go. This is Dilijan, small town in the mountains. I mean, it's a little bit bigger than another towns. It looks like city a little bit. It's city center. It's actually nothing interesting to watch in Dilijan itself. The most interesting places are located around this place. So, and well, basically it's just like it. A lot of Armenian people buy properties here, buy some houses, build some houses. It's quite fancy place. It's quite expensive land here, and well, I mean, you can understand why, because if you go 10 kilometers from this place to anywhere, you can find the beautiful mountains, and it's really worth to pay that amount of money. Yeah, that's good. Oh, the wind here is really strong. Few looks to say goodbye to Yerevan. Yeah, it's nice and beautiful with its own pros and cons. So yeah, I kind of like it. If you like it too, you know what to do. Now guys, it's time to say goodbye to you, because I'm leaving Armenia, Yerevan, and I want to tell you something unpleasant about this place, because I spent here almost 1 week, and first 3 days or 4 days it was okay, But really, city itself is a little bit boring because, of course, you have a lot of good food, a lot of like very cool people. But basically, that's it. City center is very small, and you can explore it in like 1-2 days. And if you go out of city center, the buildings and city itself not really good. So if you want to spend like couple days in Yerevan, if you want to have nice food, if you want just to see it, it's okay. But I don't know if you want to move here. Maybe it could be a little bit problem for you. Anyway, I was glad to see you here with me, and I'm glad that you've been traveling with me. And so guys, if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and see you of course very soon in another video. Bye bye. Thank you guys for being here with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this trip. And if it's so, please hit a like and subscribe button. I appreciate that. See you next time.